We started our Zoom. Okay, now try to open your book on page on page chapter 11, page 115 until 120, 115 until 122, 115 until 122. Okay, now I will give you a share screen. Hey, giving a share screen. Did you see? Do you see my share screen? Lihat gak? Hello everybody.
Belum, Sir.
Masih loading?
Belum, Sir.
Masih loading? Udah ya. Okay, let's restart it. Okay. Today's learning has three aims. The first, student are able to use simple present future. You know, simple future tense. Okay, simple future tense. You understand after learning this. The second is able to write sentences using asking, giving opinion in future form. It means you can write, you can speak, you can write and speak by using future form. Okay, and the third, the last, the student are able to tell the public places in Jakarta. What I mean is like this: if somebody asks you, do you know public place in Jakarta? Yes, I know. So learning this chapter means that I give you, I give you the way how to know about the public places in Jakarta. Okay, let's continue. Susah sekali nih. Okay. What is simple future tense? Simple future tense is a kind of verb that explain the activity. No. Giving opinion, simple future tense first. What is a simple future tense? Everybody should know about what is kind of verb in a future tense, simple future tense. Simple future tense is the verb that activity, simple future tense is a kind of verb that explain the activity or occasion that happen in the future. Means like this: when you want to do something or activity in the future, you should use a kind of verb in a simple future. Okay, emphasizing the time signal such as tomorrow, tonight, then, and the other, etc. Okay, I write down on the Google Classroom. Okay, now next, when you want to give or asking or giving opinions in simple future, you should understand the first that I have told before, the grammar. The second, the diction. The third is understanding. For example, like this: what will you think of your homework? Apa sih yang kamu pikirkan tentang PR-mu? Well, I will think it less difficult than our homework before. Saya pikir ya lebih susah sedikit ya daripada PR sebelumnya. Okay, next. Do you have any advice on the assessment competition minimum? Of course, I think he will change the form of the test. Kamu punya saran nggak tentang tes assessment? Udah dikerjain belum yang lain? Okay, the third, what will you do if you see your friend get fever in the classroom? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan ketika temanmu demam di kelas? Pasti kamu akan menolong ya. Okay. The second aims of the learning this chapter I have told. Now the last, it means that the third, there are some steps telling public places in Jakarta. The step how to tell. Okay. The first, we should know a public places that we want to tell. Kita harus mengetahui tempat-tempat umum yang akan kita ceritakan, artinya the whole information about the public places. The second, we should understand making some sentences about the public places. Kamu harus tahu membuat kalimat-kalimat tentang public places itu. The third, The third, yang ketiga adalah we should understand how to say in proper pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Artinya, if somebody somebody knows about your information, you should tell in a proper pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Artinya ada lafalnya, ada intonasinya, ada iramanya. Paham nggak? Ada iramanya seperti ini, seperti Sir Henry. Kalau Sir Henry mengatakan flat, kan nggak enak ya. Artinya, if we say in a flat pronunciation on rhythm intonation, it means it is very ridiculous, okay? The last how to tell public places, we should tell politely. It means like this. If you want somebody understand, somebody listen to your voice, you should give them in a polite way, okay? Cara yang sopan, artinya selamat pagi Bapak Ibu, good morning everybody, good morning ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you about something about the public places of Monas, National Monument. Please look at your brochure and I will tell everything about National Monument. If you have a question, when we talk, please raise your hand. Okay, that's the point. Now, look at your English book on page 110, Halim Perdana Kusuma. Okay, Halim Perdana Kusuma. Airport, understand the meaning and how to read. Okay, understand the meaning and how to read. Now, I will stop share. Hello. Hello. Any question from this? Any question from this? Any question from this? Because the time will be up. Come on. Any question from this? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Any question? Let's make a journey in to Jakarta City. Artinya mari kita jalan-jalan ke Jakarta yuk, gitu ya. That's the way. Hello, any question from this? Ada pertanyaan nggak? Apa sih simple future tense? Apa coba Wilbert? What is simple future tense? Bentuk kata kerja, sir, gini ya. Bentuk kata kerja, gini, sir. Simple future tense is a kind like this, sir. A kind of verb that express about the activity that will happen in the future. Yeah, that's the point. How to use it? How to use it, sir? Okay, how to use it? There are kind of, form, will. All the subject need will. I will, you will, they will, we will, she will, he will, Wilbert will, John will, John and Jonna will. Yeah, that's the point. And how to make negative style, sir? The negative style, you should put at not after will. Contohnya, Wilbert will not sleep on the lesson. Wilbert nggak akan tidur saat belajar pelajaran itu. Wilbert tidak akan snoring. Wilbert will not snore when the lesson on. Oke, okay? Nggak pernah ngorok ya nggak kayak Randy ngoroknya gede banget ya nggak. Ya nggak. Oke, the way how to make sentences is understand the grammar first, and you will see on your book on page 119, understanding simple future tense, 119, and you will understand about how to make it. Am, is, are, going to. That's the simple future with going to. But now, still understand, emphasizing on this chapter, emphasizing with will. Penekannya dengan will dulu. Nanti setelah pertemuan kedua, Randy akan menjelaskan bagaimana menggunakan how to use am, is, are, to be going to verb 1. Present future tense, okay? Two kind of present future tense. The first will and the second is to be going to plus verb 1. Okay, understanding the whole Google Classroom and try to do your task on the Classroom Google. Okay, go to your Classroom Google and do some assignment because the time is up. Okay, 4 minutes to go. The time is up. I should, what is it, cut it and give you, go to the Classroom Google. And I said, stay healthy, stay cool, stay inside your house and do your assignment, English assignment, okay? Do English assignment, start from task 1, tugas 1 sampai tugas 7, perhatikan yang kosong-kosong. Masih banyak yang kosong-kosong. Glenn juga perbaiki. Ada yang kurang-kurang nilainya ya. Yang kurang di itu jadi hingga nilainya kecil, oke? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Try to add and send your assignment. Send your assignment, okay? Send or start from task 1 until task 7, okay? I said to you, bye-bye. Bye-bye.